Hello, my name's Mark Adams. I'm the Vice President of Design for Opel. Today I'm here to talk to you about the newest member of our X family, the Grandland X. It's a vehicle that's targeted at the fast-growing compact SUV segment and has wonderful interior dimensions and we think the perfect proportions for that segment. Let me talk to you about a few of the details. So at the front of this vehicle, you can see it has a really nice combination of sportiness yet robustness. Starting in the middle here, the emblem itself is proudly presented on this very vertical grille and these wing-like elements floating out and connecting through the headlamp, giving the car a very wide stance. These also allow the lamp to flow into our typical wing signature light that is on all Opel vehicles. Moving back here to the hood, you can see we've also created a lot more sculpture and precision, very consistent with our philosophy, with this center crease that again is typical for all Opel vehicles, and this beautiful flowing sculptural form on the hood, giving the car a very powerful character. The robustness of this vehicle is also echoed down in the lower area here, where this cladding again gives the car this very tough but premium feeling. So moving to the side, again this vehicle has a really nice balance between sleekness and robustness. The sleekness is created by this fast dropping roofline with our typical breakthrough C-pillar and these very crisp, precise undercuts that flow through the car. Then that's combined with this robustness with these cladded elements around the wheels and the lower body, again to add that toughness and strength of character that's so important for a vehicle in this segment. The rear of this vehicle has a beautiful balance of sportiness and robustness. It starts with this sleek profile of the car here, and as it really leads to this very wide, slender lamp that really gives the car a lot of width and a lot of power. Those lamps are nestled in this wonderful, clean, modern surfacing that really lifts the car dramatically and again aids that sportiness and dynamism that's so important for this vehicle. That is then contrasted perfectly with the robust lower that really gives it that practical, tough essence, and then accents here in the lower, again lifting the car, making it feel much more upscale and more elegant. Now let's not forget the interior. That's next. Let's have a look. As you can see, I'm 1.94 m and getting into this car was very easy. And the first thing you notice, which is typical of an SUV and crossover, is this very high seating position and this wonderful all-round visibility you get in this vehicle. It really is a pleasurable place to be. Also, the comfort of this seat, typical AGR seats for all Opels, is something that is definitely a brand attribute and we feel very proud of. Many other elements that have a beautiful balance in this car is its functionality combined with this very stylish look. As with all Opels, we've really optimized the layout and reduced the number of switches in the vehicle. So the screen is placed high, and in fact this decor element allows you to rest your finger when operating the screen. That is really useful experience. As I mentioned, we've simplified the layout into our three zones: the infotainment zone, the HVAC zone where you do the temperature controls, and the customer switches down below here. So very distinct islands of functionality. So we have really great storage in this car, you know, starting at the front with this very deep open area where you can obviously plug in your phone, etc. Then this large open storage area here that can also double up as cup holders. And then also in the armrest, another deep storage area, which is also a home for your wireless charging on your phone, which is a great feature to have. So again, great functionality all round in this vehicle. We also have really great material quality in this car with these wonderful soft feel materials running all the way through the instrument panel, and even these side areas on the console here, all in really tactile, high quality execution. This is also complemented by the gloss inserts both in the center console and in the IP area here to give it that very rich and premium execution. So all round, this environment is very upscale and premium in feeling. So there you have it, the Grandland X, a car that we think really hits the sweet spot of the market. Let me know what you think.